Welcome back to Nosco Unpacked. I'm Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager here at Nosco. And today, I've invited Kyle Vlasak to join me. Kyle is our General Manager of Strategic Initiatives. Kyle, tell me a little bit about what you've been working on recently.
Mission Packaging by Nosco, mailers and shippers.
Oh, man, this is going to be fun, so stay tuned. So I heard you say shippers and mailers. There we go. What do you think?
That's a big box.
It is. So you're going to laugh because what do you think?
All that and that for that. Can I tell you a little bit about the space?
Please.
Okay. Would you believe that 1 in 3 people are regularly shopping online? Right now, this space is about $16 trillion USD. And by 2028, this will be over $70 trillion. Wow. So this is a mind change for our customers and brand owners. So imagine being able to control your brand, control the unboxing experience while controlling revenues, profits, and margins all at the same time.
So are you saying that I could get rid of this?
I'm saying you can have more thoughtful design. So you can minimize some of this thoughtful designs, right size it, even use more of an SBS or fibers to actually have this more sustainable, up to about 30% in terms of regrind or recycled paper fibers. Certainly something what you had before you packaged, you could put your flex actually into a MSHN envelope and ship direct from that.
Wow, I didn't realize how much branding is available. This is all just generic, right? Generic packaging, shippers and such, but this is opportunity for me to really emphasize my brand.
It's a lot of real estate inside.
Kyle, so this is great for my pouch, right? And I see a lot of other product samples over there, which is interesting, but I also had a jar of vitamins that I purchased as well. So how does that work?
Well, you could put this back into that large container, or you could use some other mission packaging, which would be what we call our air cell package, designed to have additional air protection and branding on the inside. You could use what we call a fold over, which is minimal fiber folded into a very protective package that would hold this. Mm-hmm. Or you could use what we call a multi-pack, which actually gives you the ability to put in multiple products in one family box.
So we've got multi-pack, we've got single pack. All of these are designed specific to the product that's going to be shipping as well. That's what I heard you say. That's the number one most important.
Right size, customized for that product.
Right.
So this is almost what's called a ships in original container package.
Wow. I can see how this would be a game changer for all of those customers that are doing any direct-to-consumer shipping. I certainly know from my perspective that many of my customers in the flexible side of our business are doing direct-to-consumer shipping every day. Kyle, this is great. There's so much that we can do with all of this. We've got sustainability. We've got thoughtful design. We've got cost considerations, reduction of cost. We've got loss, or I should say not loss, but I should say reduction of wasted materials as well. I mean, really, this is an opportunity to ship with the environment in mind, but also for our customers to get their brand back, right?
Yeah, where do you use that?
Feel free, as long as I get some of the royalties on that. If you found any of this information insightful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging and other packaging made easy. Kyle, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
We'll see you next time.